Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cook with Antoniette. I'm Antoniette and today we are making one of my favorite traditional Kenyan dishes, Mukimo with Minji, or also known as green peas. If you've never made Mukimo before, or you just want an easier way to prepare it using green peas, potatoes, onion and pumpkin leaves, this video is for you. So let's dive right into it. For the ingredient, you'll need 6 to 8 medium-sized potatoes depending on how many people you want to serve the mukimo. You'll also need minji or green peas. You'll also need 2 to 3 pumpkin leaves that are young and tender for best results. You'll also need spring onion or bulb onion, whichever you prefer, and a bit of oil for frying. We are keeping this recipe simple and healthy. As you know, mokimo is one of those meals that are both filling and comforting. They are perfect for lunch or dinner. So let's start preparing our ingredient. That is peeling the green peas if you haven't, and peeling the potatoes. We are going to be boiling the green peas as we peel our potatoes. Depending on your stove or the means of heat that you're using to cook it, could take 15 to 20 minutes. I usually do this fast so that they are ready by the time we are cooking the rest of the food.